In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an approver to a bill in bill.com. Whether you're streamlining your business processes or ensuring all your financial documents are in order, understanding how to manage approvals is an essential skill. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the specific bill where you need to add an approver. Log in to your bill.com account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Bills section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard, depending on your user settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the bills that have been entered into the system. Carefully scroll through this list or use the search function to find the exact bill you need to work on. Opening the correct bill is crucial, as making changes to the wrong document can lead to confusion and potentially costly errors. Now that you have the bill open, it's time to locate the Approvers field. On the bill's detail page, you should see various sections detailing the specifics of the bill, such as the vendor name, amount due, and due date. Somewhere in this interface, typically towards the bottom or side of the page, you'll find the field labeled Approvers. This is where you'll manage who is authorized to approve this bill for payment. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will be where you make any necessary adjustments to the approval process. With the Approvers field located, the next step is to assign the approver or approvers. Click into the Approvers field, and you'll see a drop-down menu or a list of potential approvers. Here, you can select the individual or individuals who are responsible for reviewing and approving the bill. If your organization has a hierarchy or specific approval process, make sure to follow these guidelines when selecting approvers. Sometimes, you may need to add multiple approvers, especially for larger bills or those that require additional scrutiny. Simply select all necessary names from the list provided. This setup helps ensure that the bill is properly reviewed and approved, avoiding any delays in processing. Once you've selected the appropriate approvers, the final and very important step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the page or near the Approvers field. Click this button to ensure all your changes are stored in the system. Without saving, any adjustments you've made won't be recorded, and you'll have to redo the process. Saving not only updates the bill with the new approvers, but also sends notifications to those individuals, alerting them that a bill awaits their attention. And there you have it. Adding an approver to a bill in bill.com is as simple as that. Remember, keeping your approval process organized and up to date is key to maintaining smooth financial operations. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to bill.com's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.